Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Sino
Hello
po?
po.
Sino po sila?
Kisha po.
Ano ulit pangalan?
Kisha.
Sisha?
Opo. Ano,
Spell nga po.
Kisha.
Kisha.
Yes.
Okay, Kisha. Alright. Ilan taong ka na, Kisha?
28 po.
28. And you're calling from what part of the world?
Philippines, Muntinlupa lang po.
Philippines, Muntinlupa. Cute nung may Philippines pa, no? Muntinlupa. Saan bahagi ka ng Muntinlupa?
Sa Alabang po.
Ay, mayaman ka. May kaya ka?
Hindi po.
Oo, kahit magkano lang. Kahit 10-8 lang. Oh. Mayaman to, guys. Di ba mayayaman tao dyan sa Alabang?
Hindi naman po.
Oo, talaga. Di ba nung bata ako, may kanta si Andrew Ina, Alabang Girls. Tapos yung description ng mga girls from Alabang ay babaeng mayayaman. May mga kotse, di ba? For the longest time, dahil kay Andrew E, naniniwala ko na pag sinabi mo, taga saan ka, Alabang, mayaman to. Anong ginagawa sa buhay ni Kisha?
Project manager po.
Oh, kita may kaya na, mga kaibigan. Makaka-10-8 tayo dito. Yehey! Project manager ng ano po, ng
Marketing agency po.
o baka kailangan nyo ng host, ha?
Nasa virtual po.
Ano ba yan?
Yung
Hindi man lang ako makarakit sa caller na ito. Offshore din yung client mo, ma'am.
Yes po.
Okay. May asawa ka na po?
Yes po.
May asawa ka na. At kailan ka ba may asawa?
Noong 2024 po.
So you've been married for like 2 years, no? Give and take 2
Yes
years.
po.
How long were you together before kayo nagpakasal?
8 years po.
Okay. So you've known this guy for a decade now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes po.
May anak na kayo, ma'am?
Wala po.
Wala pa. Okay. Well, this is alarming. 2 years pa lang kayo kasal and here we are. What can I do for you?
Yeah. Ayun po. Tungkol doon po yung kakwento ko.
Mhm.
Kasi, nung 2024,
Mhm.
kami kinasal.
Yes, ma'am.
Tapos nung 2025,
Mhm.
may nakausap ako online.
Ano, may nakausap ka online?
Yes po. Technically, nag-cheat pa ako.
Nung 2025.
5.
Okay. Kinasal kayo ng 2026, tama?
Yes po.
2025.
2024. 2024 yung kasal. 2025 yung may nakausap ako.
Okay. Pag sinabi may nakausap ka, ma'am, ano extent neto? 1 year into the marriage po ito, ano?
Hindi po eh. Once lang po.
No, I mean, 1 year into the marriage, tama?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 year kayong kasal. How did you meet the guy?
Online lang po.
Online. I mean, dating platform, what?
Hindi po eh. Siya parang Omegle pero chat lang.
Oh my God, pero chat lang.
Pero kasi wala na po kasi yung Omegle. Parang may website na gumaya ng Omegle. Tapos ayun yung ginamit ko.
Okay. You met a guy online. You talked to the guy once.
Hindi po. Lumipat po kami ng platform. Tapos nag-uusap na po kami araw-araw.
Okay, how long did that last?
Hanggang ngayon, nag-uusap pa rin kami.
Until today.
Yes po.
Have you met the guy in person?
Hindi pa po.
Okay, where's the guy from?
Sa Manila lang po.
Okay, let me ask you again. Have you met the guy?
Hindi pa po eh. Pero nagyayaya po siya. Pero natanggi po ako. Hello po.
Yeah. How frequent do you guys talk?
Every day po. Kasi, ano pa ako, gabi yung work ko. So, mga ganun po yung oras ng pag-usap namin.
So the guy belongs to the same industry as you are?
Hindi po. Sa medical field po siya.
Nurse?
Hindi pa.
Pasyente?
Pwede huwag niyo pong
Pasyon-
i-mention.
Pasyon- Bobo no? Nurse, hindi pa. Pasyente? Sorry guys, akin. Okay. Ano status nyo?
Meron,
Be careful.
meron po.
Be careful ha. Kilala mo, mumurahin kita pag nagkamali ka ng sagot sa akin. Ano status nyo?
Parang kami, pero hindi.
Okay.
Kasi meron po kaming endearment, meron po kaming
Alright. You have to know that you have to understand that I understand that there has to be a certain come on. Diba? There has to be a certain come on. There has to be a certain benefit why you would last a year talking to each other. Tama?
Yeah.
May benefit ito eh. Hindi po pwedeng wala kayo napapala, ano? May premium ba't kayo nag-uusap? So that I wanna know. What do you call
Ano
it?
po?
What do you call each other?
Baby po.
Okay. You call each other baby.
Yes po.
You say I love you to each other?
Sobrang bihira. Opo.
So yes, that's a yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you been erotic in your conversation over chat?
Yes.
So you imagine making love with this guy or maybe having sex with him.
Yeah.
Have you sent compromising photos? Even teasing the guy.
Yeah.
So practically the guy saw you, whatever exclusive is, di ba, is exclusive to your husband is,
Yes po.
and you've not met.
Hindi po.
Sure. Are you sure?
Yes po. Nung una po namimilit siya, pero eventually, hindi na siya namimilit kasi alam niya yung sabihin ko hindi.
I want to get to your mind. I want to know why. Whether this is right or this is wrong, whether I can accept what you're going to tell me, but I want to know why.
Nung una po, ano lang talaga, nababoarding lang ako kasi gising ako ng gabi. Ayun lang po talaga yun. Pero nung tumagal po, hindi ko alam, parang hindi ko na rin get kung ano nararamdaman ko sa husband ko.
Did you talk today?
Yes po.
Bakit tayo magkausap?
Hindi ko na po alam kung anong gagawin. Medyo nagkukulangan na po ako. Pero at the same time po, ayoko ayoko din naman po mag-end up dun sa guy. At the same time, parang ayoko na rin sa husband ko. So medyo magulo siya.
Okay, ganito ano. I'll tell you what's on my mind, okay? I don't want you guys to keep on guessing what I'm thinking. All right.
Okay po.
Not at any point kakampihan kita. Okay?
Okay po. Okay po.
Mga kaibigan, listen carefully. You are going to hate me for what I'm going to say, but I think I have a point when I'm going to say it. There is worlds apart of difference when a woman cheats and when a man cheats. When a man cheats, kaliguban lang talaga yan. Most of the time. Not every time, but most of the time. When a woman cheats, it is because of more profound meaning. I'm not saying at any point na tama, but that's where I'm coming from. So my question, the following questions I'm going to ask you, Keisha, will be a little bit uncomfortable, but andito na tayo, mag-usap tayo. I hope you're ready. Kilala mo naman ako, di ba?
Yes po.
Okay. What did you send to the guy? A video of yourself or a photo?
Photo lang po.
Photo. Were you pleasuring yourself when you sent that?
Yes po.
Okay. You pleasured yourself, you sent the guy a photo of whatever it was to the guy because the guy asked you. Tama?
Yes po.
I will not believe na ikaw yung mag-o-offer niyan, di ba? Siyempre, hindi mo naman para sabihin na, gusto mo ba, picturean ko to, padala ko sa'yo. I'm sure that it did not happen that way.
Yes.
How many times have you done that?
Maraming beses na po.
When was the last time?
Siguro 2 months ago.
Were there times that you were having sex or making love with your husband and you wish you were doing it with the guy?
Yes.
Kasi mga kaibigan, hindi na natin pag-uusapan pa yung things prior to this eh. That's the reddest of all the red lines. Pag naandun na sa part na yan. Tinawid mo na lahat ng red lines niyan. Tama, mali?
Yes po.
Okay. You have to forgive me. I do not believe that you have not had sex with this guy in person. I'll find it hard to believe. But that's your story. It's okay. Now, I'm sure your husband will not believe that. I do not believe that for 1 year that you've been sending a photo of yourself naked to this guy, that you have not met each other in person. Far-fetched yan. Kasi that's the next step eh. I will not squeeze it out from you. It's okay. I know this is uncomfortable sa iyo. I'm just telling you, I don't have any incentive to believe that. I hope you forgive me sa part na yan.
Yes. Okay.
Okay? What do you want to ask me?
Hindi ko po alam kung anong gagawin.
What?
Kasi
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead po.
hindi ko alam kung hiwalayin ko na ba yung husband ko.
That's a question? Are you asking me that? Or are you just blurting out your thoughts?
Hindi ko rin po alam, nagkagulan ako.
I mean, ang tanong ko, ma'am, are you asking me that or you are just blurting out your thoughts?
I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is yes. Why? You don't love your husband anymore. Anyways, wag mo sagutin. Mamaya masagutin yan. Okay. Couple of nights ago, I had a friend who consulted to me. Kaibigan kasi kaya hindi na para to maging part ng show natin. Who is in the same predicament as you have. I gave her the same advice. I want you to listen very carefully. Keisha. I do not know whether tama ako dito o mali. But when you said I do to your husband when you married each other, I'm sure you were not sure. There are people who have been together for a very long time and they ended up marrying each other because everybody and everyone in the world and everyone orbiting their universe expected that they're going to end up together. So they end up together without really asking themselves, are we doing it because we love each other or are we doing it because we have been together for a very long time now and we are so comfortable? Making sense? Why are you crying? Did you really mean to marry the guy? Or you don't want to disappoint those people orbiting your universe during that time?
Pero kasi ang tagal na din po namin.
Ano, exactly. So this has been doomed from the get-go, no? Nag-uumpisa pa lang kayo, alam mo, maghiwalay kayo. Tama, mali. Tama ka, mali. Yeah. The guy is just instrumental dito. Because you said it. Gusto kong iwanan yung mister ko, but I don't want to end up with the guy. Is the guy married? Is the third party married?
Hindi.
Single?
Yes.
Do you think he loves you or you're just there for, pleasure?
Yeah. Sa tingin ko po, in love siya. Pero ako hindi.
Okay. I'll tell you the truth. I'm a guy. You want me to tell you the truth?
Yes.
The other guy doesn't love you. Do you want me to justify that with you?
Hindi na po.
Okay. Why are you afraid to know kung bakit di ka niya mahal? I insist. Kasi
Honestly po,
it does not add up to me na hindi mo gustong malaman kung bakit kanya hindi mahal. But that's indicative na you are hurting and you're claiming na hindi mo love yung guy. Look, Keisha, I was checking the record of our conversation here. You've been wanting to be a part of the show for days now. Tama, mali?
yes po.
Andito na po ako, ma'am. You know exactly what you're getting into when you wanted this conversation with me. What else do you want to ask me?
Hindi ko po kasi alam kung paano iti-take ng husband ko yun.
Painfully? Painfully. He will be shattered into a million pieces. He will never know how to recuperate from this. I don't know. He'll probably think of killing himself. I hope he will not. He will be hurt like it's the end of the world. He's going to lose the symbolism of whatever is left of his manhood. But he deserves to know. He deserves to know. When do you plan to tell your husband? Later? Tomorrow?
Pinaplano ko din po kasi matagal na.
Ano? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Ano po yun, ma'am?
Matagal ko na pong pinaplano. Hindi ko lang
Hmm.
naawa.
Not at any point. Not at any point I'm trying to quantify or qualify na yung value ng husband mo sa'yo. Ano po kulang? Ba't mo nagawa ito, ma'am?
Nakuha ko namin din po.
Ano po?
Siguro po nakuha ko namin din po siguro sa financial.
So, ikaw ang provider for the family.
Nung this year po, nag-start na siya na. Pero yung matagal ng pagsasama namin, halos ako po, yung kasal po ako, yung bumili kami ng kotse ako. Pero binabayaran naman po niya sa akin unti-unti.
You just do not find that meron siyang leadership prowess. That's what you're telling me.
Yes po.
Okay, now,
And
listen. Go ahead,
niya
ma'am.
yun. Alam po niya yun.
Ano po?
Alam po niya yun na ako yung nag-lead.
So, question is bakit? Bakit ikaw? Why not him?
Ang sinasabi niya naman po kapag nag-suggest siya or gumawa siya ng action, kinukwenta ko. Which is, totoo naman po yun. Kasi parang pag gumawa siya ng, for example, nagplano po siya, madalas hindi po niya tinitignan yung mga possibility na malito. Mga ganun po. Yung parang masabi lang na nag-decide siya. So ako na po yung nag-take initiative na gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay.
No. That's completely fine. I mean, for your husband to seek advice or direction from you, that's not wrong. But you're telling me a different thing. You're telling me that kulang siya ng, financial capability or providing you for you financially. I mean,
Yeah.
Are you telling me that he's not working?
Working naman po siya. Pero, for example po, kunwari nawalan siya ng work. Parang okey lang kasi nandiyan ka naman,
I
eh,
get you, I get you. Okay,
gano'n.
alright, gets kita. So the pressure is on you, not on him. Tama?
Po.
And you believe that, you believe, well, with you saying what you said, it is tantamount to that you believe that he could do better only if mas magpupursige pa siya. But he's not.
Po.
Okay. Nothing about this will make what you did right. You get that, right?
Yes. Yes.
Tinatanong ko lang because I want to get to know, di ba? I want to get to your mentality. So, gusto ko lang malaman. Oh my God.
Sa sabi sa'kin, gusto ko lang i-mention din.
Ma'am, would you speak clearer po?
Wait,
Ano po?
gusto ko lang po i-mention na nung nung may nakausap din po kayo sa barangay.
I'm sorry? Nung may nakausap ka ba kang iba pang guy?
Yes.
So we are talking about two guys here.
Pero po yung isang guy na yun, nung nakausap ko na may wala na po yun. Ayun, nakipagkita po ako sa kanya once, noong June. Tapos hindi na po kita nakikita.
Okay. So there's the first guy who's in the medical field, and there's a second guy that you met online then.
Yes.
And you met up with this guy. Where did you guys meet?
Sa Manila lang.
Saan?
Sa Manila lang po.
Sa Maynila. Did you guys have sex?
No po, date lang po.
Where did you guys go out for a date?
Sa Ayala Triangle po.
You
Sa cafe po.
risk being in public place to meet up a guy knowing that you're married. That's what you're telling me?
Po.
Okay. Now, I have so many questions now. There is a guy, steady mong kausap.
Yes po.
The guy, there's the first guy that you even send compromising photos of yourself. Hopefully wala ka mukha sa picture, ha?
Yes po.
Okay, good. Body part lang, no? Not that it's okay, I'm just saying, you claim you've never met this guy.
Yes po.
And here's another guy na bagong kilala mo and you've met this guy.
Yes po.
That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense to me.
Kasi hindi po kami nag-usap po.
Ano po? Sorry, ma'am. Pakilakas nga po, ma'am.
Ano po?
Ano po ulit, ma'am?
Itong second guy po, kaya nakipag-meet po ako sa kanya kasi hindi po kami nag-uusap tungkol sa mga sexual na bagay. So, alam kong walang nangyayari.
And the second guy, he knows that you are a married woman.
No po.
Oh. At any point before mo siya i-ghost, did you tell him the truth?
Hindi.
Huh?
Hindi po.
So you just ghosted him?
Yes.
Okay. All right. What do you want to ask me?
Um, Ngayon po kasi,
Ma'am,
nagpa-plan.
pwede bang lakasan mo po?
Ano pa nga?
Malapit ka lang, Muntinlupa lang, baka puntahan po kita, matampal kita ng alpombra. Mm. isang,
Ano?
isang skyway ka lang dito, ma'am. Lakasan mo. Okay.
Ano po?
Ano po yun, ma'am?
Um, Nung nakipag-meet po ako dun sa guy, sa pangalawa, hmm, kaya po ako nakipag-meet sa kanya kasi
Kasi, naputol, guys. What happened? Oh my God. Nalobat yata. Nasabi naman yung payo, ano? Baka dumating yung asawa. Okay, now. Kanina, I asked her, ano yung kulang? Alright? And she said, financially, no? A lot of you, marami po sa inyo, mga kaibigan, thought it was so off and off tangent na yun ang dahilan niya. Actually, no, for women, no. Not at any point, sasabihin ko po sa inyo na tama yung ginawa niya. But it's not about the money. It's the security that providing for the family. It's the feeling of security that's being provided for the woman. So sa inyo, parang pagluloko to And to her, di ba, sa kanya parang financially, hindi po siya hindi magkaduktong siya. It's never a justification. Alright? It's never a justification. But paano ipapaliwanag to? Okay, now, maging fair tayo sa kwentuhan natin. No? Of course, no, kalandian talagang ginawa niya, period. No? Hindi natin, it's not for us para ipagtanggol yun. But, hear me out. Okay. Sa lalaki muna tayo. Ilan ang lalaki ngayon dito? Sino sa inyong mga lalaki dito ang pagniyaya ang misis na makipagsiping sa kanya at tatanggihan, nagmamarakulyo? Okay? Sino sa inyong mga babae ang nandito na kapag tinanggihan nyo ang mister nyo, it comes out as a frustration from your husband? Okay, sabi na not my partner. Maybe you do it ng malambing. No? Pero generally, magmamarakulyo yan. Okay? Period. Now, it's never about the sex. Baka kala nyo, hindi ka lang napagbigyan. No, it's not about the sex. It's about something more. It's about fulfilling a guy's ego. You may not understand. Only guys will understand that part. Sa kanya, ego yon. It is not, the sex has little to do with it. Okay? Pero pag idudugtong mo, parang talaga ba natanggihan ka lang, nagaganyan ka? No, it's not. The sex has little to do with it. It's the pride and the ego and the fulfillment of his manhood. It's more than that. There's so much more to it. Now, why am I telling you this? Sa babae, ang version nila niyan ay yung security. It's the security. It's not about the money. It's the feeling of being secure that comes along from having a guy that can provide for a woman. it's not about, hindi siya kalandian lang. You get it, right? Naintindihan nyo, you know where this is going to, no? Nagigets niya, no? So it's that. It's more than that. So that's exactly what I'm trying to point at, mga kaibigan, no? There's so much into it, no? Kaya alam niyo, pag may cheating episode, mga kaibigan, it's a wonderful case study. We learn something, no? So kanina, nung sinabi nung caller natin, mga kaibigan, that bakit mo nagawa ito? Financially po. A lot of you reacted financially, nakukulangan ka. Well, if you have been doing what I'm doing for the longest time now, madali mo makukonek. And I was waiting for that. No? Mga kaibigan, ganito yan. Ano? I'll tell you one thing. A lot of the men that cheated their wives or their girlfriends or their partner, you are going to hear stupid reasons like, mas malambing siya. No? Madaling i-dismiss yun kung gusto mo. Not at any point sinasabi kong tama. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying, alright? I'm not saying tama. I'm just saying, stupid men would say that. No? But if you really dig into that, mga kaibigan, there's a lot to unpack there. No? It's within someone's nature to look for a fulfillment to those needs. Kasi nature niya yun. Especially pag likas naman loloko. Okay? On the other hand, sa kabilang parte, the other side of the aisle, sa babae po, whether we accept it or not, it's within the nature of women. Not all, but generally does not mean all. Pag sinabing generally, karamihan, mga kaibigan, it's within the nature of women, especially when you are in a marriage, to look for that leadership. That's the vulnerability. That's the point of contention. And some men out there are predator. Para siguro yun, maybe yung naka-chat niyang nasa medical field, no? Yung babaero talaga, yung alam tumingin ng babaeng vulnerable. Because mapangakuan mo lang ng kung ano-ano para ma-fulfill yung inahanap niyang leadership, bumigay. Okay, mga kaibigan, not at any point I'm saying that what she's done was right. Of course not. I'm just trying to, point out, from case studies point of view. Even the fact that I've been doing this for a very long time now. Anyways, thank you to our caller. We might not get her back again. To Keisha.